In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to join ChatGPT Discord. We'll keep this simple and clear so you can get connected to the official community quickly and confidently. The goal is to use Discord's built-in Discover feature to find the official OpenAI server which hosts the ChatGPT community and join it safely. First, look at the server list on the left side of your Discord interface. This is the vertical column where all your servers appear. In that same column, find the Discover option and click it. Depending on your view, it may look like a small compass icon. If your window is narrow, this icon can be tucked away, so enlarging the window slightly can help you spot it. Clicking Discover opens a curated directory that helps you find well-known and verified communities. Next, inside Discover, go to the Servers section and use the search bar to look for OpenAI. Typing OpenAI is important because the official ChatGPT community lives under the OpenAI brand. Give the results a moment to load. You should see a list of communities related to your search. This is where being precise matters. You're looking for the official OpenAI server that represents the ChatGPT community, not an imitation or a fan-made space. Now, select the server that shows the verified icon. On Discord, verified servers display a checkmark that indicates the community has been authenticated by Discord. This badge helps you avoid lookalike servers and ensures you're joining the real thing. When you found the OpenAI server with the verified icon, click it to open the server's page, then click Join. That's the entire process. Once you join, you'll see the server appear in your left-hand server list, and you'll be able to explore channels, read updates, and participate in discussions as allowed by the server's settings. A couple of quick tips to keep your experience smooth. If multiple results appear, double-check the server name and the verified badge before you click. If you don't immediately see Discover on the left, look carefully for the compass icon, as the label may be hidden on smaller layouts. And when you click Join, Discord may briefly show a loading state. Just give it a moment, and that's all. By clicking Discover in the left server list, going to Servers and searching for OpenAI, then choosing the server with the verified icon and clicking Join, you're in. Enjoy exploring the official ChatGPT community and staying up to date with the latest conversations and announcements.